I was born in the countryside of a really small town, which is not far from Bologna, and since a young age, my parents always encouraged my creative side. As a child, I played dress up with my sister. We would both only perform in front of our family. I never thought about myself as a model. People actually started pushing me to get into a modeling agency, but being born in the countryside of a small town made me see the universe of fashion as something like out of my league, like a legend for a few. But then other people gave me courage and I applied for the Elite Model Look contest. I sent my application and after taking part in a boot camp, I won the contest in Italy. I'm a person who wants to regret absolutely nothing about her life. I threw myself into this new adventure. My life totally changed. I started traveling all over Europe, knowing new people. I also got better at languages. I grew as a person. I actually started developing my own sense of identity. It felt like a dream coming true. The fashion world is more than appearance, and my advice is to always believe in yourself, in your potential, and following your dreams. So, of course, if it wasn't for Elite, I wouldn't be where I am right now.